This is a Steam game backup file. You cannot double-click it. You must open Steam, go to Backup and Restore, and select the folder containing this file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll walk you through the menu. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn CSD files. The Open CSD file extension is associated with Steam Backup and Slideshow files. These files are typically created by the Steam client as part of its game backup functionality or used in Slideshow applications. They contain compressed game data or image sequences, respectively, allowing users to restore game installations or view presentations. CSD files, when used for Steam backups, employ proprietary compression algorithms to reduce file size. Slideshow. SD files may use simpler compression or no compression at all, depending on the software. The internal structure varies based on the application that created the file, making universal decompression challenging without the originating software. The software default for the CSD file type is the solution provided by Valve Corporation's Valve Steam. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows supports many audio formats, but thorough editing or repair must be done with specialized tools. We are initiating the software cross-check. Right-click your CSD file and choose Open With. Test with Valve Steam first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often non-obvious. When your CSD file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, use Steam. Open the file using the Steam client. The file is part of a Steam game installation backup. Next, use Restore function. In Steam, go to Steam, Backup and Restore Games, and select the CSD file to restore the game. Finally, check for corruption. If the restore fails, delete the file and re-download the game through the Steam client. When every program on your system rejects your CSD file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same 3-letter label for different things. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Your best next step is File Magic. It opens almost every CSD file type and is available right now at filemagic.com. Until the next video, goodbye. Subscribe now to ensure you get the notification for the next file solution I upload.